sun. Come together, everyone, one heartbeat, one melody. Come and dance in harmony. Morning rises on the island shore. Hear the drums like never before. Every smile tells a brand new story. Simple living, simple glory. Raise your hands beneath the sky. Leave your worries, let them fly. Every step is light and free. Moving to the reggae beat. When the rhythm finds your soul, you'll forget what you can't control. Love is all we really need, growing like a tiny seed. Oh, do the reggae side to side. Let your happy spirit ride. Do the reggae, feel the flame. Every heartbeat's just the same. Do the reggae, laugh and sing. Joy is what the music brings. Do the reggae, come what may. Dance your troubles all away. Children playing in the golden light, friends together through the night. Gentle breeze through every tree. Nature sings so peacefully. Share a smile with everyone. Life is sweeter in the sun. Hand in hand we'll find our way. Moving with the reggae sway. No matter where you're coming from, every heartbeat beats as one. Let the rhythm lift you higher. Fill your soul with hope and fire. Sing it loud for all to hear. Love can always conquer fear. Oh, do the reggae, don't look back. Keep your feet up on the track. Do the reggae, nice and slow. Let your inner sunshine glow. Do the reggae, voices raise. Celebrate these brighter days. Do the reggae, wild and free. This is where we're meant to be. Do the reggae, feel the rhythm, feel the light. Sunrise paints the sky, whispers hope as days go by. Footprints on an open road, carrying a lighter load. Though the seasons come and go, love is all we'll ever know. Every dream we choose to keep lives within our hearts so deep. When the stars begin to shine, every dream can still be mine. Take my hand and you will see, tomorrow starts with you and me. Dreams to remember, shining so bright, guiding our hearts through the darkest night. Dreams to remember, never let go. Water them gently and watch them grow. Whoa. Dreams to remember, carried on the breeze, moving together with effortless ease. Oh, dreams to remember, forever we'll sing. Hope is the greatest gift life can bring. Hey! Children laughing in the sun, every new day's just begun. Kindness growing like a tree, branches reaching endlessly. With each heartbeat, with each smile, every step is worth a while. Let the music lead the way, bringing brighter days each day. If the clouds should hide the blue, keep believing, stay true. Every mountain, every sea can't outshine our destiny. Lift your voice and sing along. Love will always make us strong. Dreams to remember, hold them close, like a flower in full bloom that grows. Oh, oh, dreams to remember, hearts unite, turning every shadow into light. Whoa, whoa, dreams to remember, keep them alive. With faith and hope we always strive. Oh, oh, dreams to remember, loud and clear. The brightest days are always near. Oh, dreams to remember, hold them forever. One heart, one love, until the morning comes. Hey. Oh. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Some things in life are hard to find. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, na 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 na. Walked 1,000 dusty roads, walked 1,000 dusty roads, carried many heavy loads, met 100 smiling faces, passed through many different places. But a heart that's kind and true shines morning covered in dew, more precious than silver or gold, a treasure that can never be sold. Don't lose faith along the way, brighter skies will come one day. Every seed that's planted right finds the warmth of morning light. Hard to find, but worth the wait. Love arrives, it won't be late. Hard to find, but strong and true. A faithful heart will carry you. Hard to find, like stars above. Nothing shines as bright as love. Hard to find, yet clear to see. The greatest gift is harmony. Yeah. Oh yeah. Gentle words and open hands build the strongest lasting plans. Every promise, every smile makes the journey worth the while. When the storm begins to rise, hope still lives beyond the skies. Stand together, side by side, with love forever as our guide. Yeah. Patience grows a mighty tree, rooted deep in honesty. Every sunrise brings a chance for life to lead us sweet to dance. Hold on tight and don't let go. Better days will surely grow. Hard to find, but don't give in. Every ending can begin. Hard to find, but dreams come true when your heart stays kind and true. Hard to find, but joy remains like the sunshine after rain. Hard to find, forever stay. Love will always light the way. Hard to find, but never impossible. Keep believing. One love. Yeah. Reggae forever. Oh yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sweet and dandy. Everything nice and easy. One love. So yeah. So yeah, 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 yeah. So na 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 na. Sunshine warming up the day. Gentle breeze carries cares away. Laughter echoes down the lane. Joy comes dancing after rain. Little moments, simple things. Every smile is worth more than gold. Hearts together, hand in hand, building dreams across the land. Take it slow, don't hurry on. Every night becomes a dawn when your spirit's light everything will be alright. Sweet and dandy, sing along. Every day's a happy song. Sweet and dandy, feel the groove. Let your heart begin to move. Sweet and dandy, love will stay, lighting up another day. Neighbors gathering by the fire, sharing hope that never tires. Every story, every smile makes the journey worth the while. When the music fills the air, you can feel the love we share. Step by step, side by side, with the rhythm as our guide. No mountain stands too high to climb when your heart keeps perfect time. Every voice can help us see a brighter world in harmony. Sweet and dandy, lift your hands. Love is stronger than the sands. Sweet and dandy, voices blend. Good vibrations never end. Sweet and dandy, keep the beat. Every soul we gladly meet. Sweet and dandy, come and say, love will always lead the way. Sweet and dandy, keep smiling, keep singing, keep the reggae flowing. One love. One love. Ooh, yeah. Take me home where my heart belongs. One love. Ooh, yeah. Take me home where my heart belongs. One love. Morning breaks with golden light. Birds are singing, skies are bright. Every road I've traveled on brings me closer to my dawn. Mountains high and rivers wide, love has always been my guide. No matter where the winds may roam, my heart still knows the way back home. When the world feels far away, hope will always light my way. Every step, no matter how far, leads me back to where you are. Take me home where love is found, where joyful voices all surround. Take me home beneath the sky, where dreams can spread their wings and fly. Take me home where hearts belong, where every day becomes a song. Take me home, don't let me roam. Love will always lead me home. Old familiar smiling faces, warm embraces, gentle places, simple moments rich and true. Every memory shines anew. Fields of green and ocean breeze, dancing softly through the trees. Every sunset seems to say, You're welcome home, you're here to stay, where kindness grows like ancient trees, carried gently by the breeze. Every heartbeat knows the way. Love grows stronger every day. Hand in hand, we'll always stand together across this precious land. Oh, take me home where hope is bright, where stars are dancing through the night. Take me home where peace is free, the place my soul was meant to be. Take me home, we'll sing as one until the setting of the sun. Take me home forevermore to the love I'm living for. Take me home back where the music plays, back where love remains. Take me home. Take me home. Yeah, feel the breeze, feel the sun. Come together, everyone. One heartbeat, one melody. Come and dance in harmony. Yeah. Morning rises on the island shore. Hear the drums like never before. Every smile tells a brand new story. Simple living, simple glory. Raise your hands beneath the sky. Leave your worries, let them fly. Every step is light and free. Moving to the reggae beat. When the rhythm finds your soul, you'll forget what you can't control. sky, whispers hope as days go by. Footprints on an open road, carrying a lighter load, though the seasons come and go. Love is all we'll ever know. Every dream we choose to keep lives within our hearts so deep. When the stars begin to shine, every dream can still be mine. Take my hand and you will see, tomorrow starts with you and me. Dreams to remember, shining so bright, guiding our hearts through the darkest night. Dreams to remember, never let go. Water them gently and watch them grow. Dreams to remember, carried on the breeze, moving together with effortless ease. Dreams to remember, forever we'll sing. Hope is the greatest gift life can bring. Children laughing in the sun, every new day's just begun. Kindness growing like a tree, branches reaching endlessly. With each heartbeat, with each smile, every step is worth a while. Let the music lead the way, bringing brighter days each day. If the clouds should hide the blue, keep believing, stay true. Every mountain, every sea can outshine our destiny. Lift your voice and sing along, love will always make us strong. Dreams to remember, hold them close, like a flower in full bloom that grows. Dreams to remember, hearts unite, turning every shadow into light. Dreams to remember, keep them alive, with faith and hope we always thrive. Dreams to remember, loud and clear, the brightest days are always near. Dreams to remember, hold them forever. One heart, one love, until the morning comes. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Some things in life are hard to find. Oh, oh, oh. Walked 1,000 dusty roads, carried many heavy loads, met 100 smiling faces, passed through many different places, but a heart that's kind and true shines like morning covered in dew, more precious than silver or gold, a treasure that can never be sold. Don't lose faith along the way, brighter skies will come one day. Every seed that's planted right finds the warmth of morning light. Hard to find, but worth the wait. Love arrives, it won't be late. Hard to find, but strong and true. A faithful heart will carry you. Hard to find, like stars above, nothing shines as bright as love. Hard to find, yet clear to see, the greatest gift is harmony. Gentle words and open hands build the strongest lasting plans. Every promise, every smile makes the journey worth the while. When the storm begins to rise, hope still lives beyond the skies. Stand together side by side with love forever as our guide. Patience grows a mighty tree, rooted deep in honesty. Every sunrise brings a chance for life to lead a sweeter dance. Hold on tight and don't let go. Better days will surely grow. Hard to find, but don't give in. Every ending can begin. Hard to find, but dreams come true when your heart stays kind and true. Hard to find, but joy remains like the sunshine after rain. Hard to find, forever stay. Love will always light the way. Hard to find, but never impossible. Keep believing, one love, yeah. Reggae forever. Yeah, yeah. Sweet and dandy, everything nice and easy. One love. Oh, sunshine warming up the day, gentle breeze carries cares away. Laughter echoes down the lane, joy comes dancing after rain. Little moments, simple things. Every smile is worth more than gold. Hearts together, hand in hand, building dreams. nice and bright. Everything will be alright. Sweet and dandy. Sing along. Every day's a happy song. Sweet and dandy. Feel the groove. Let your heart begin to move. Sweet and dandy. Love will stay, lighting up another day. Neighbors gathering by the fire, sharing hope that never tires. Every story, every smile makes the journey worth the while. When the music fills the air, you can feel the love we share. Step by step, side by side, with the rhythm as our guide. No mountain stands too high to climb when your heart keeps perfect time. Every voice can help us see a brighter world in harmony. Sweet and dandy. Lift your hands. Love is stronger than the sand. Sweet and dandy. Voices blend. Good vibrations never end. Sweet and dandy. Keep the beat. Every soul we gladly meet. Sweet and dandy. Come and say, love will always lead the way. Sweet and dandy. Keep smiling. Keep singing. Keep the reggae flowing. One love. Hey. One love. Ooh, yeah. Take me home where my heart belongs. One love. Yeah. Take me home where my heart belongs. One love. Morning breaks with golden light. Birds are singing, skies are bright. Every road I've traveled on brings me closer to my dawn. Mountains high and rivers wide, love has always been my guide. No matter where the winds may roam, my heart still knows the way back home. When the world smiling faces, warm embraces, gentle places, simple moments rich and true. Every memory shines anew, fields of green and ocean breeze, dancing softly through the trees. Every sunset seems to say, you're welcome home, you're here to stay.